Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 21 of the New England farmhouse renovation. I'm not gonna lie, I had to jump over to YouTube and review the tapes to see where we left off because it's been 3 weeks since we've been here, and the whole reason why it's been such a long period between the day number 20 and day number 21 is because we were over the Newton mud room and we were finishing off that project, and that project is wrapped and done, and it came out absolutely fabulous. If you haven't seen the reveal on that, click on the video at the end of this one when it pops up, or jump over to my playlist and you can jump on the renovations Newton mud room, because that was 10 weeks and a total of 44 days that we were there, and what a great project. Everybody was happy and the homeowners came on and just talked about the whole scope of the work from start to finish. So if you're ever thinking about doing something like that, that's a great video for you to check out because it gives you the homeowner's perspective just to see what it's like, in particular living in construction for a project like that. But let's talk about the New England farmhouse because we're back here, and I've said it, I want to be in here in 30 days. So yesterday we were unpacking, I was making my lists and checking it twice just to see what we have to do to get this thing done. So where were we? Well, last time we left off, we had finally sorted out the whole heating system, and then as you recall, we were creating this great little refrigerator nook here for the refrigerator, and we stole almost 2 feet of space from the stairwell, since we had to build this stairwell wall here in order to support the stairs going to the second floor. Well, this would have been pretty wasted space because it was so narrow, and we decided that we were going to make a refrigerator nook so that we could take that big thing, which was just kind of sitting here, and then tuck it away and then really clean up, because this isn't the biggest of kitchen, but with a little thought and a little effort and a little bit of great design, we're going to make the most out of it. So that's what we did. We got all of our drywall up, we got our scratch coat on, and this is coming out really slick. I like the way these metal edges just leave really sharp corners there, and just durable corners. I don't have to worry about anybody hitting that or chipping off the plaster. So that's what we're doing today. So I hope you come along for this 30-day journey that we're going to do, because we certainly have a lot to get done in that time. But this is the New England farmhouse. So we're switching gears a little bit from mud rooms to whole houses, because this is going to encompass building a beautiful serpentine staircase. We've got some things that we're going to do in the bathrooms. We're going to put some vents in there. We're going to put down and fix some tiles, and also fix some drywall in the bath. We've got some more drywall to put upstairs. Plus, we just got a lot of painting and a lot of neatening up. So if you've got any projects like this that are going on in your house and you just don't know where to start, hey, check out these videos, ask me a question, because I'm happy to answer my questions. I like that a lot. Please like and subscribe. It really goes a long way to help me out on YouTube, and then just determining what you all like and what you don't like. So thanks for checking it out. Come back here. We're going to keep rolling on the New England farmhouse, day number 22.